In front of me is Realme Neo 3, and let me show you how to change date and time on this phone. So at first, unroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and click on system settings. Now pick date and time, and then switch off automatic date and time, then you can set it up manually. Now pick time, and it's working just the same, so smoothly. Manually set the date and time by picking the particular date and also the hour. And you can also turn off time zone here, automatic time zone obviously, just by using the switcher, and then you can choose preferred from your list, from time zone list. And as you can see, it is applied. Then whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, just use those switchers again. So that would be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.